Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about the most common cormorant in Sri Lanka. The little cormorant. The little cormorant is a member of the cormorant family of seabirds. Slightly smaller than the Indian cormorant, it lacks a peaked head and has a shorter beak, smallest of the cormorants found in the region. It is widely distributed across the Indian Subcontinent and extends east to Java, where it is sometimes called the Javanese Cormorant. An all-black duck-like waterbird with a distinctive flattish head and a bill that is sharply hooked at the tip. Breeding adults have white plumes on the sides of the head. Like all cormorants, frequently seen swimming with its body low in the water, head and neck pointing upward, and suddenly disappearing underwater to catch fish. Seen singly or in small groups in inland water bodies. Their calls are like locally named Punchi Diyakawa. I have seen the little cormorant in many places, all across Sri Lanka. One such place we have seen them is when we had a floating breakfast at a hotel where we stayed near Walawe.